Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Goodbudget app works, covering its main features, how it helps with money management, and whether it's worth using for budgeting purposes. Goodbudget is a digital envelope budgeting app that helps you allocate money into categories, so you can plan your spending ahead of time. It's based on the envelope budgeting method, where you divide your income into set envelopes for things like groceries, rent, transportation, and entertainment. The app doesn't link directly to your bank accounts, which means you have to manually enter your income and expenses. While that might seem inconvenient, it can actually help you stay more aware of your finances since you're actively tracking every dollar. The app is available on both Android and iOS, and also has a web version. The free plan gives you up to 20 envelopes and allows usage on up to 2 devices, which is ideal for basic budgeting. If you upgrade to the Plus plan, you get unlimited envelopes and access on up to 5 devices. Goodbudget also includes debt tracking and historical spending reports, making it easy to see how your habits change over time. One of the standout features is the shared budget option. This lets two people use the same budget, which is useful for couples or families trying to manage money together. There's also a built-in savings goal feature that lets you plan for future expenses, like vacations or large purchases. However, it's important to note that because the app doesn't sync with your bank accounts, all transactions need to be entered manually. That means it might not be ideal for people who prefer automated budgeting apps. Overall, Goodbudget is best suited for people who want more control over their budgeting process and are willing to enter data manually. It's especially helpful for those new to budgeting, as the envelope system makes it easy to visualize and manage spending. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly, and it's simple to adjust your envelopes as your budget changes. Just keep in mind that the manual input requires a little more discipline. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.